Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to share screen on WhatsApp. So it's a very easy method to do. So right now we are on a call already. And what you want to do is you just want to click on the three dots, but make sure in order for you to screen share, you're going to need to be on a video call. So once you are in the video call, automatically you may now share your screen on your phone. This works both ways, by the way, for both Android, iOS, and also even for PC, for Windows, and for Mac. So the method's the same. Just click on the three dots and then click on continue and then start recording or casting with WhatsApp. So just click on start and automatically that is now recording. You can't really see it on my end because it's on WhatsApp. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.